We have a long-standing partnership with the Ministry of Social Development that enables us to support the In-Work Success program. The In-Work Success program helps to mitigate issues and risks that an employee may face and may impact on their employment.
Normally up at 5:30, normally check my truck over, find out who you're with, and then you just team up with them, leave your site and then go to your first job. Watching them doing paperwork in their laptops and that, and I couldn't see the wordings, or I couldn't see their screens, and I asked if I could get some reading glasses, and they got me reading glasses now. I'm using them and it's awesome, I can actually see better, and now I'm doing the paperwork and I'm doing the laptop as well. I've had a lot of help from teammates, supervisors, leading hands. Well, they've got a lot of trust in me. They've also provided me with a ute. I recommend anyone to jump on with Donors.
This program not only validates the importance of our people, it assists them to stay employed.
I work in a team. We take care of the whole water supply for Tauranga. I found out about the In-Work Success pretty much from the beginning. From the moment I went into the interview, they've always told me that what they can provide for me, how they can help me. Where I was living wasn't a convenient place. Downer helped me to find a place. They've even helped me to move houses. I was new to town. I knew nobody, so the whole stuff was really good. I just had so much support all around me. Support like that mattered to me is because it's motivational for me to keep going, to know that I won't be going back to a place where I was before I started this job. I'd say I'm at the highest point of my life at the moment, and the best thing is it can only get higher, not any lower. That I'm really appreciative for.
Our Downer managers know the importance of their people, and they've been very quick to realise the benefits that this program can have. Mana Mahi is the government's Strengthen Work initiative. Downer provides training to the Mana Mahi trainees, and these trainees go out to work within our subcontractors and have access to in-work support.
My current job is managing traffic on sites. My day is pretty busy. Need a few days off because there's a few family problems. There was no support whatsoever for me. So I went to church. Yeah, I guess I saw the light, so I chose to take a program. When I came back home, my parents saw a different person in me. Mana Mahi sent me to Downers. That's how I found more support in my job. I got a lot of support from In-Works. Attending the group sessions just keeps us on track on where we are in our companies, just keeps us focused on what we want to become. It motivates me to get up every morning and turn up to work. So I found support through Downer and through my company.
Our people are community. They interact with the public every day. They have families, homes, they belong to churches, sports groups. If we can look after our people, it has a direct impact on all their communities.